Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. Oh, what a beautiful weekend. Little windy on Saturday. And for you north wind sufferers, I'm so sorry. Robin was one of them. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Ireland. I was chatting with Robin last night, and I mentioned that I was listening to the High Kings all day long. And she goes, well, that was appropriate considering where you were. I didn't even put them together. The High Kings, if you don't know, are an Irish group. They do folk songs from Ireland and various other, popular, not popular, but songs from Ireland. Great group. Yeah, so Ireland was fun. 3 parts. The lemon baked cod. Oh, those $2 fillets worked perfectly from Winco. Then I did the Colcannon. Love Colcannon. Yeah. And then I did a corn and pea combination with some garlic and a little bit of red onion and yada. Yeah, we just kind of threw that together. That's why I have frozen vegetables in the freezer. Because I can just do that without, too much work. Excellent meal. Recipes will go up. Today, we're flying east. We're traveling east to Vietnam. This is a super simple meal. And I kind of need it after yesterday. Not that yesterday was challenging, in technique, because it's actually very simple. But I've been running ragged, and I don't get much sleep. So today, from Vietnam, I'm doing Tôm Rim, which is Vietnamese caramelized shrimp. Super simple prep, super simple cooking, and the plating will be really, really easy. So let's get to it. I'm going to use a saute pan today because I'm only doing 8 ounces of shrimp. So saute pan, crockery for the rice. I have 8 ounces. These are 1620s. I bought a 1 pound bag of these 1620s, which are pretty big. Compared to my fingers, these are big. Winco, just under $8, like 7 something. So Winco's got really good frozen shrimp. This is the 3rd time we'll be using them. All right, for the rest of the ingredients, sugar. Got to have sugar to caramelize. So we got some sugar going on here, kosher salt, black pepper. There's a little bit of chicken bouillon, garlic, shallot. I'm using Thai chili. I've only used probably 1 of these, not both. It looks prettier with 2. Green onions. This calls for a spring onion. Unfortunately, Winco was out, so I'm using green onions. Fish sauce, dark soy sauce. Yes, I like having this in my cupboard or my pantry. So I'm using it calls for dark soy sauce and a little bit of oil. And of course, I'll be using long grain white rice tonight. So here are the goodies for tonight's Tôm Rim. So, on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.